build a Lego race car who no one is driving, and this is like a red hot rod, and this is like a Lego jet, but that's in the other videos. And then, so let's check it out. And I was really good at school, so Mom gave me this prize. So let's check it out. As you can see those bags. Let's open it. Whoa.
How many packages did you get?
2, no, 3, and look.
Oh, there's 2 pieces by themselves?
Yeah. I don't know what is happening to this.
And where is the instructions?
Oh, the instructions are still in there.
All right, well, you're gonna get organized, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back.
Bye. So this is like the paper instructions, and then the only bag that it's left in like this bag with no numbers. This is, and I also need to do it careful.
You need to open it carefully?
Yeah, because the pieces can be locked under the table.
Okay.
They can like
Fall?
Yeah, they can fall.
Okay. So how are you organizing them?
By color.
By color. Very well.
Bye.
Bye.
So I already organized the pieces, and I'm gonna tell you the colors: white, clear orange, gray, light gray, black, clear, light clear, blue, clear red, red. Oh, and gray, and this is the mini versions. Black, peach did almost, I don't know what's this color, but
Let's say beige.
Yeah, beige and red.
Okay.
Tiny red.
Okay.
And now let's build.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
So this is like the base part of the car, and this is so the tires can like stick.
Be attached.
Yeah. Then we're gonna build it some more so you can see the red part. Bye.
Bye.
So this is the back part of the car. So you can like, pretend these don't work. I believe I can die. I believe I can die. Yes, God. Wow. So I already built the red race car. I think somebody is gonna join.
Oh wow, is that Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Nice.
Bye YouTube kids. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, comment below, hit the like. Bye.